Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and check it out. Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and we're back. Shack renovations are coming along quite nicely. We got the floors in now. Look at that. We've got floors, and we got painted walls, and we got the LED lights, and we got the radios in. Yeah, it's coming along. We got to put the baseboards in, the new windows, the mini split goes in next week. The humidic system for humidity control goes in next week, and we're almost done. Now we got to fill it up with furniture to get rid of this echoey. But yeah, here's the shack. This is the new VE9 Charlie Foxtrot Shack. Chris at CTK Renovation has done a wonderful job. I can't recommend him enough. If you're in the Moncton Southeast New Brunswick area, you're looking for some home renovations, give a Google search to CTK Renovations and give Chris a call. I know he's really busy, but I'm sure if you told him that I sent you, he'll take care of you. So yeah, this is the shack. It's coming along quite nice. It's almost done. I'm gonna ask Chris to do one thing. I'm gonna see if I can switch out one of these 240s for another 110 on an isolated circuit that I can run the amplifier without anything else on it. Other than that, because the amplifier runs on 110, I got it set up for 110. It does both 240 and 110, but I got it configured for 110 right now, so I might as well just keep it there 110. Unless anybody in the comments has a better reason why I should change it back to 240. But yeah, this is the shack, folks. Let me know what you think. 7-3, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Take care, guys.